A good woman no coming from the Lord. They know they see her for market. A good woman is a blessing from above. Her type will not there for market. I tell you more, Yaku. When you batra kolisa seva, you know more those Yaku. When you batra those Yakumo. Always loving everybody, no discrimination. What a dimma, no competition. Come and see blessings of the Lord. Everyone Yamaka, was a sinner catch. A good woman no coming from the Lord. Chuku is a blessing from above. Chotra no hiyoma. Akwanye chotra nezi wanye bianwe no go. He will find that a wife who will find it a good thing. So dear man, and obtain a favor from the Lord. Blessings of the Lord. A good woman no coming from the Lord. If you have a good woman, treat them well, value them well. No go take a love for granted to avoid a dino. If you lose a good woman, everything was better.
Nigeria, government in Singapore, another state officer. Officer, come and see us now. Anyhow, now the commander.